If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
More like day 1.5 honestly. I spent most of yesterday sick in bed, with fever dreams of flexible displays. This morning, however, I am already at the airport. Out of the frying pan and into the fire, as it were. Point is, after spending 1 hour or so with the phone yesterday, I now find myself with a Galaxy Fold in hand, or hands, as the case may be. I'll be using the foldable as my day-to-day phone as I travel to California for our robotics event. I'll have a full review for you in a few days, but in the meantime, I'll be using these pages to offer up something a bit more stream of consciousness, as I learn to adapt to life with a folding phone. The main reaction of bystanders is that of bafflement. I had the phone unfolded, with the Delta app open, and an airline employee asked, "Is that a phone?" Fair enough. When I responded in the affirmative, the same employee asked, "Is it a Nokia?" "No sir, it is not a Nokia." Attempting to scan my boarding pass at the check-in, I realized it was actually too large for the scanner. I had to readjust it at a weird angle, but I was able to get it to scan. 3 hours into the day, battery is at 87% with standard usage, including some Spotify. App continuity is swell, being able to open an app on the small screen and pick up where you left off when the phone is open. It is super annoying for those apps that haven't updated, though. Twitter, for instance, opens with letterbox bars and asks if you'd like to restart. I really like the size here. It fits nicely in pants pockets when folded, and the 7.3-inch display is big, but not too big. Every surface is a fingerprint magnet. The crease is noticeable, but generally not distracting. Occasionally when the light hits it, it really does pick up, though. The Fold comes with a pair of Galaxy Buds, which is pretty terrific. They regrade AirPod competitors, and it has a nice touch for those willing to pay nearly $2,000 for a phone. Samsung compares the fold mechanism to a book in the way it is opened and closed. Interestingly, I actually find myself using the phone half opened at a 45-degree angle more than I expected. Yes, the snapshot is still satisfying,